Hello student, in our earlier video we studied types of angles formed by two parallel line and transversal. In this video we will learn construction of parallel line. So this is our first point, to draw a line parallel to the given line. Here we are going to draw or construct parallel line which is given to a line. So there are two types of lines. There are two types of construction, if the distance is given and if the distance is not given. Here is first construction, to draw a line parallel to the given line through a point. This point is outside the given line. So again there are two methods. First method is by using only set square, and second method is by using set square and compass. We will first study first method using set square. So let us construct it. So our first construction is draw a one segment or one line. Suppose here I am taking line. Take this line always on this already given lines. So I am using one of this line, and here I construct first line, suppose line L. So this is our first construction. So here I write down first step, draw a line L. Next step is we are going to take a point which is outside the line. So here I am taking suppose point P. So this point P is outside the line L. So let us write down the second step. Take a point, suppose here I take A. Point A outside the line L. So next step is take one set square and place it on line L such that it will touches the line L. Okay, and its second edge will also touch at point P. Okay, so this is our next step. Next, place set square on line L such that its second edge touches the point A. Now take another set square. Here I am taking another set square and placing such that it touches the first edge of first set square, and it also touches point A. So now draw a line at second edge. So this line will pass through point A. Now increase at its opposite direction also. So this is the line which passes through point A. Here I take its name, suppose line M. So this is our next construction. Place second set square close to the point A, and it also touches the edge of first set square. Draw a line M through point A. So here I draw here I increase on opposite direction also and make a one straight line and name it as M. So this line M is parallel to line L. So these are some construction points. Let us study the second method using set square and compass. So first construction is obviously draw one line. So suppose this is line L, and second point construction is take point, suppose point A which is outside the line. So these are two construction points. Draw line L and take a point A outside the line L. Now next step is use your set square and draw one perpendicular passing through this point A. So by using set square I am drawing one perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular, suppose AM. Now take another point, suppose point N. This is the distinct point, and here I am taking on line L. So these are again two new constructions. Here I first draw perpendicular, and next one is draw point N on line L. Next is again draw segment NX perpendicular to line L using again set square. So again by using this set square I am drawing second perpendicular through this point N. So this is the second perpendicular. So here I am taking suppose point X. So NX is again perpendicular on line N. Now take your compass and take a measure of AM. So here I am taking measure of AM, and without disturbing this compass I place it on point N and making here another arc which intersect. Suppose this intersection point is suppose point B. So this is the new construction. Draw line NB congruent with AM. So this is the new construction which is congruent with AM. So by using this compass I make here one arc, and here I draw new segment NB. Now through this point A and B, or you can say join this point AB and increase it in both direction. So you will get here line AB. So this line AB is parallel with line L. So these are some next point. This new constructed line AB is parallel with line L. So these are 7 construction points. Let's study the next one. Second type of construction, to draw parallel line to a given line at a given distance. This distance is given. Suppose this distance is 4 cm. So let us construct it. First draw a line L. So here I am drawing. Suppose this line L. Now take any point outside the not outside, on the line. Here I am taking two distinct points, suppose point A and B on a line L. So this is the next construction. Take two distinct point A and B on line L. Now next construction is draw two perpendiculars through both points, point A and B. So by using set square we can construct two perpendicular. So here I am drawing first perpendicular through point A. So this is our first perpendicular, and this is the second one. Okay, now take this distance 4 cm in your compass. So here I am taking 4 cm. So make a first mark of 4 cm and second mark placing on point P. This is the second arc. So name these 2 points, suppose P and Q. So these are the next step. Take measure 4 cm in compass and make 2 arcs through points from these points A and B. And next construction is join these newly formed points by using your scale and increasing both direction. So you will get here next line. So this line PQ is parallel with line L. So these are the next points. Here we name these intersecting points P and Q. Then we join this line points P and Q, and we draw this line PQ through points P and Q. So this line PQ is parallel to line L at a distance 4 centimeter. So write down here 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So these are the steps of drawing parallel line to a line through outside a point whose measure is not given, and if the measure is given, suppose here 4 centimeters. So these are the construction points.